Here I am at Chalet 233. Come on in and let me give you a little tour. So it looks like there's an adjoining door. This is kind of like a duplex, so there's another unit right through there. They got some hooks here, and here's the kitchen. Comes with a coffee maker, some coffee and tea. Got a little view outside there. Here's the stove, oven. I have all of the lights turned on. One thing about this place is it's dark, especially downstairs. But I do have all the lights turned on right now. There's a toaster. Okay. So, telephone on the wall here, and there's the heater, air conditioner, a couple of chairs, a huge TV on the wall, and the TV actually has like 1,000 channels somehow. I'm not quite sure how that works, but it does. And they have things like the Beverly Hillbillies channel and crazy things like that. So there's a little loft up there. There's a ladder that you can climb up that goes straight up the wall to this loft. And I didn't go up there, but I'm pretty sure it's empty right now. But if you have kids or something that might be of interest, there's a fan up there. And it also has this stove. You can buy logs for it at the gift shop. It doesn't come with them. So here's the balcony. We've got a chair, or not a chair, but a bench. And there's the lake. Look at that. I didn't request a lake view, but I got one. So pretty nice. Apparently Bass Lake is owned by PG&E. And so it's emptied and refilled according to whatever they're doing. So right now, I guess it's fairly low. It's supposed to be a lot prettier when it's higher. And in the summer, I hear that this place is very busy. Okay, let me show you the downstairs. It's a little tiny, narrow staircase. So here's where the bedroom is. A little sink. It has a hairdryer attached to the wall. And here's the bathroom. I've got a bathtub, which is always good. They've got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in there. Oh, and it has one of these old-timey like heaters on a timer, so you can keep nice and warm in there if you're here in the winter. So this room has 2 double beds. There is no closet, or actually there is a closet, but there's no rod in the closet. So it's not super useful. I was here for a work meeting, and so I just kind of had to lay out my clothes on one of the beds. So there's the bed. It's really dark in here at night. There's only that one light that works, and then the bathroom light. And here's the view out the window. But of course, it's pitch black at night out there. And I don't know if you can see this at all. Here's the closet, which is absolutely pitch black. Yeah, I don't think you can see anything at night. But there's the iron and ironing board. Oh, you know what? Look, here's a light. Wow. It was too dark for me to see the light before. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this. There's more towels in there. Anyway, so that's the closet, but there's no rod to hang anything up on. So my critique is it's a very cute place. The resort is very cute. There's a nice couple of restaurants and bars, and there's some cute shops and a coffee shop. Um, the cabins or chalets, they call them, are nice, as you can see, but they're very clearly they've been used. Um, you know, don't come here expecting the Ritz or anything. There's definitely wear and tear. But if you're here for the lake and the beautiful trees, pretty good place.